Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. It is an honor to be here with you today. Thank you for your coming. My name is Hasdan Farizal. I am first 10 grade science. I'm going to present my paper from my teacher, Mrs. Juhara Sulistia, with the title MONOLOGUE. Firstly, we will look how it works. Next, we will discuss about moon flag in detail and how to respond it wisely. I will be happy to answer your question at any time during the presentation. Okay, you can see beautiful picture of the moon in slide 2. It's a warm, clear night, the sky is black and the moon is bright and full. It's so bright you can even see well enough to play with your friends. Even though the sun set a few hours earlier, you probably don't think much about the moon or how it formed it since it's always up in the night sky and you can often see it. The Earth's moon is a rocky, dry, dusty natural satellite. There are other planets that have moon as well. A satellite is something that orbits or circles continually around a planet or star. Satellites can be natural, as in the case of the moon, or person-made. Our moon orbit the Earth since it does make its own light. The moon acts like a mirror, reflecting sunlight, which is why you can see it, and the same side of the moon always points towards the Earth. I will explain the fact one of the moon is the moon has little on the atmosphere. The moon rotates its axis once every month. The fact other you can see in my PowerPoint by yourself. Next, slide 3. I will explain the fact one of the moon is the moon has little on the atmosphere. The moon rotates its axis once every month. The fact other you can see in my PowerPoint by yourself. What causes phase of the moon? And next slide 5. I'm going to explain about diagram phase of the moon. Okay, let's review. This diagram shows the phase of the moon from a new moon, which you can hardly see at all, around to a full moon and back again just over 4 weeks. Phase is the waxing moon. Waxing means growing. After the new moon appears in the sky as a tiny silver of light, the moon phase, it grows into a crescent curving to your left as you look at it and into a half moon. This takes a week, and so the period is described as the moon's first quarter. After it, the waxing gibbons moons. Gibbons mean half and describe the growth from a half moon to a full moon. Another week has passed and this is the moon's second quarter. Next, the waning crescent moon. The last quarter takes us from a half moon back to a crescent moon, facing right and to a point where the moon disappears. Slide 6 and 7. We talk about cause type. How can it be figured out? Okay, let's start. If the Earth were a perfect sphere without large continents, and if the Earth-Moon-Sun system were in perfect alignment, every place will get to equal high and low tides every day. However, the alignment of the moon and sun relative to Earth, the presence of the continent's regional geography, and features on the seafloor, among other factors, make tidal patterns more complex. Around the world, there are the basic tidal patterns: semidiurnal, mixed, and diurnal. When both high tides are about equal to each other and low tides are also roughly equal, the pattern is called a semidiurnal tide. If the two highs and lows differ substantially, the pattern is called mixed tide. Where there's only one high and one low tide a day is called a diurnal tide. One location can experience different tide patterns throughout the moon. After it, in slide 8 and 9, we will talk how did the moon form. George Darwin, the son of Charles Darwin, suggested that the moon looked so similar to the Earth because at one point in Earth's history, Earth might have been spinning so fast that part of our planet spun off into space but was kept deterred by Earth's gravity. Fission theorists posit that the Pacific Ocean might be the site where the would be moon material come off of Earth. However, after moon rocks were analyzed and introduced to the equation, they largely debunked this theory because the moon rock composition differed from those in the Pacific Ocean. In short, the Pacific Ocean is too young to be source of the moon. Then you can see by yourself in the slide talk about no need memorize about moon. The last slide is 11. In the slide 8, I'm talking about Earth and Moon compared. When you see the moon white up in the sky, it's hard to get a sense of perspective about how big the moon really is. Just how big is the moon compared to Earth? Let's take a look at the diameter first. The diameter of the moon is 3,004,749 kilometers. Now let's compare this to the Earth. The diameter of the Earth is 12,742 kilometers. What about surface area? The surface area of the moon is 37.9 million square kilometers. That sounds like a lot, but it's actually smaller than the continent of Asia, which is only 44.4 million square kilometers. The surface area of the whole Earth is 510 million square kilometers. So the area of the moon compared to Earth is only 7.4%. How about volume? The volume of the moon is 21.9 billion cubic kilometers. Again, that sounds like a number, but the volume of the Earth is small, like 1 trillion cubic kilometers. So the volume of the moon is only 2% compared to the volume of the Earth. We will need 31 objects with the mass of the moon to match the mass of the Earth. Okay, I think it's enough all about my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention, and I say sorry if I have a lot of mistakes. I hope my presentation useful for us. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.